Okay, so what I see as the next steps for this is that in terms of steps for this research and this data, we, as part of our 3-year 21st century learning plan, we're looking at the current systems. Now we did look at bringing new systems, potentially bring a new system in for next year, but that's unlikely at this stage because any new systems we bring in have to be approved by pre-university. So what we're doing for next year is we're looking at streamlining the systems that we currently have. So where this information will be very useful will be that the systems group are currently doing a similar style analysis, not so data driven, but more from speaking to people and interviews. So we can combine the information that the systems group has with this information to see how we can best streamline our use of Moodle for next year. The next steps will then be getting some key stakeholders involved, ACs, teachers, a variety of stakeholders, and then seeing what the next steps are for Moodle, whether it's more of a standardised approach or which approach is best for our students.
Technology, Craig Pearson. So would you think that this research would be useful, and what would you take from it?
Yes, because I think it's a starting point. I mean, you've effectively done some of the work for us. So we can take this, particularly this, and when we are starting this process, where to next? What are we going to be doing? Are we going to be starting the training program? We've talked about some of the things we could be doing with PD. This is a starting point. This is what you guys was, and it is saying that it's something we should be using. So now we need to look at specifically what it is that we need to be streamlining, and that's what we want to get from you. But this is our starting point.